All right, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today I'm gonna be doing a follow-up video to one of my first ever YouTube videos. You can check it out here. It's called How to Clean Your Sneakers. Man, I dropped this video when I was probably 16 years old, and I'm almost 27 years old now. So man, I've been doing this YouTube game for a minute. So guys, please hit like and subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can get my YouTube partnership back. Now, in my last video of the New Balance 990 V3 Raw Amethyst, I talked a little bit about a product called Easy Lincoln Suede Cleaner. It's just called Easy Lincoln Cleaner Suede. I thought I would show you guys how I clean suede sneakers, and if you have a pair of suede sneakers and are looking to clean them, then this should be a short and simple informational YouTube tutorial. No bullshit, we're just gonna get right into it. So this is the pair of shoes that I'm cleaning. They are a pair of Fila's, and these are actually a collaboration with Bella Italia.
Biella.
And these shoes were stored in my dad's storage room for about a year and a half, and they were stored in a, it's a barn, so like a little bit of mold got in, to be honest. So these are a little bit moldy. They kind of got a funk to their suede, and if you can't see that, well, there's just some dark spots on the suede. So we're gonna do what we can. First things first, anytime you get a shoe that has non-suede parts on it, you wanna clean those non-suede, or even if the suede is really dirty, like you have mud on it, Clorox wipes are the best just first step. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and take those Clorox wipes and get down and dirty, clean these bad boys up. After you get the first shoe, or the first, two shoes nice and Cloroxed up, the next thing you wanna do is get your Lincoln Easy Suede Cleaner. And what you want to do is you want to put the Lincoln Easy Suede Cleaner onto a nice microfiber towel. And the microfiber towel, you can get really cheap ones at Walmart, guys. You can use a paper towel if you need to, or even just put it onto a bristle. Even just a bristle will do enough. So you want to get into all those areas and really clean into that suede. Be liberal with your usage of the Lincoln Easy Cleaner. It makes it easy, just like in the name. So just go at it, and you want to basically keep wiping until it is clean. And then after you clean up that area, sorry, I meant after it's dry. You basically want to wipe until it's dry, and then use a brush, like even just a toothbrush, or the suede cleaner that I bought came with a bristle kit, and get into that sucker and just start bristling away. Now that you've had the shoe nice and cleaned, I mean, the Lincoln Easy Suede Cleaner should do most of the trick. Next thing is you just want to clean all the other parts of the shoe with the Clorox that you maybe missed, like the outsole. Take your laces out. You can soak your laces in a cup of water filled with dishwasher detergent overnight, and that can clean your laces. Even just taking your laces out, maybe swapping in a new pair if it's a pair of sneakers that you've had for a while, that can go a long way. But pretty much that is it, guys. Now you have a nice clean pair of suede sneakers, and you don't have to worry about being that guy with the clean pair of shoes. But the clean pair of shoes, adjective, are actually clean. Adjective, adverb, you know what I'm trying to say, guys? You have a cool pair of shoes and they're dirty. You don't want to be that guy. That's basically the moral of the story. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. There's other products, of course. This is the one that I recommend for suede specifically. And yeah, clean your shoes, wear your shoes, and remember, as always, guys, peace and butt grease.
Cause I'm on white man, 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 cause I'm